Whatever it is, I've got just the cure for it.
What's up, YouTube? This is Mango392 back at it with another video. And today is a beautiful Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, May 5th. So happy Cinco de Mayo to everybody. I know you can't do much, but you do what you can. But anyway, before I get into this video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. To all my day one supporters, welcome back. Make sure you hit that red button to subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up. And then also to the far right, go ahead and click that bell and hit all so you know, so you'll have all notifications on when I drop a video or even when I go live. But anyway, today's video, I'm gonna do a multiple of these videos. Like I told y'all before, I found inspiration to during this pandemic, as we call it, to keep pushing and to live, you know, my life to the fullest. So I'm taking the car to get dropped off. We're doing some modifications to the car. As you can see, I got the box in the background right here. So I'm taking the car to get dropped off. It's gonna be there for about maybe a day or less. And I'm not gonna tell you guys, so you gotta watch the whole video. So stay tuned for that. I'm about to head down the highway, drop the car off, and then we'll talk about this once everything is done. So stay tuned, all right? Peace. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Mango392. So, let me take this thing off because I can't take this no more. That's better. I look crazy. I need a haircut. All right, guys. So today is a new day. Yesterday, I went and dropped my car off at Elite Collision. Now, there's nothing wrong with the car. No accidents, so don't spam the comments. Everything is okay. I went to do some modification, but with work and answering emails, I forgot to pick up my car before it closed. So I'm gonna give you guys a look to see what modification I did. It's very small, but it's the little things that will make the car really pop. And I thought these guys did an excellent job. So you guys check it out and tell me what you think. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I changed out the back diffuser on the Charger. So I ordered this rear diffuser from Ikon Motorsports. Excellent customer service. I got it within, I say maybe 3-4 days of ordering it last week. And what I did was I went to Elite Collision here in El Cajon, California. And what I decided to do, instead of just keeping it all black, I wanted them to paint the 4 stripes the same color as my car, Gold Mango. And that's exactly what they did. They color matched the car where the fins is at. So not only did they do the stripes, they also did the sides as well. And I thought that really made the car stand out or pop even more. So shouts out to Elite Collision Body Shop, and they did an excellent job. And I'm just so happy how it came out. It looks crazy. I think rear diffusers just make a Charger stand out even more. And like someone said, man, it's the little things that you do to make your car pop. And I think just having the 4 stripes plus the sides painted will make the car stand out even more. So excellent job. So shout out to Elite Collision. I'll put all their information in the description below. Shout out to Ikon Motorsports. Like I said, excellent customer service, and during this lockdown quarantine, they still got the package out in a reasonable time. So excellent job overall. All right, guys, so I'm back in the car. I want to give a super shout out to Ikon Motorsports. I'll put their the information in the description below and also across the video here as I'm speaking. And then shout out to Elite Collision here in El Cajon. And I'll also put their information in the description below and across this video right here. Shouts out to Adrian and Dave there. Excellent customer service. I'm not going to tell you guys anything else, but I'm getting ready to do some more things with them. Super happy with the way the rear diffuser turned out. I'm just ecstatic, man. I mean, during these times, like I told you guys in the video before, I'm using my time wisely, smart, and just adding small modifications to my car that I should have done, you know, years ago, but it's better late than never. So that's one. So stay tuned for many more modifications to come to the car. I'm waiting for some more things to come in that I will be filming. So I'm hoping that you guys will follow me on this journey for me really just making this car pop even more. So stay tuned. I have some more stuff coming. That'll do it for this video. I'm gonna put up a second one later on today, and you guys please stay tuned for this. Stay tuned for that next video. I think you'll like it. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that red button and subscribe. And over to the far right, there's a bell, and hit that all for all notifications on when I drop a video. You're gonna like the next series of videos that come out, man. I'm just doing things back to back, and you know, it's the wrong time, but you know, like my boy Shaka 252 said, man, this is the best time to really get in your car and start modifying your car. And I'm taking advantage of the situation. Like I told you guys, man, no excuses. Hashtag no excuses. So anyway, guys, that'll do it. Oh, one thing before I go. Today is May 6th. Today is National Nurses Day. So shouts out to all you doctors and nurses out there. Whoever's watching my video, if you're a nurse, doctor, health provider, thank you for all you have done thus far for all of us, not just me, but everybody in this world. Thank you for putting your life on the line to save our lives. I really appreciate it. I think this one day is not enough for what you guys have done, but I just want to say thank you and much respect for what you guys do. So if you know anybody, man, just give them a thank you and tell them thank you for what they've done. So all the nurses, doctors, all the health responders, first responders out there, thank you for all you have done to, you know, help keep us safe during this this situation. But anyway, guys, that'll do it. Like I said, please give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next video that I'll drop later on today. You guys be safe. Make sure you wash your hands, and I'll catch you guys at the on the next video. All right, peace.